Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the reaction intermediate. These are also known as reactive intermediate. These are carbocation, carboanion, and free radical. Beta, these three are in your syllabus. But beside these three, two more are there. That is carbene and nitrene. These carbene and nitrene are not in your syllabus. We will discuss about the carbocation, carboanion, and carbon free radical. Beta, carbocation. Carbocation made up of two words, carbo and cation. Carbo means carbon, cation means positive charge. That means the chemical species in which carbon atom carry positive charge and having 6 electrons in outermost shell. And having 6 electrons in outermost shell. Clear? Beta, how carbocations are formed? Carbocations are formed by heterolytic cleavage between more electronegative atom and carbon of organic compound. More electronegative atom attract both the electrons towards itself from neighboring atom, and carbon lose the electron. So carbon carry positive charge and more electronegative atom carry negative charge. Beta, carbon atom carry positive charge and having 2, 4 and 6 electrons in outermost shell is known as carbocation. In this way, carbocation is formed. Now our question, how many types of carbocations are there? If carbon atom carry positive charge is joined by hydrogen only, it known as methyl carbocation. If this carbocation combined with one alkyl group is known as primary carbocation. Combined with two alkyl group is known as secondary carbocation. Or all the alkyl groups are present with positively charged carbon is known as tertiary carbocation. Now our question, what is the stability order? You must learn tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary, then primary, then methyl. It is the stability order. It is the stability order. Our query, why tertiary is more stable than secondary, then primary, then methyl free radical? Because presence of alkyl group. As the alkyl group present on carbocation donate electron towards the carbocation and increase the electron density on carbocation. As a result, this positive charge will decrease and get dispersed on alkyl group. Here 2 alkyl group, that means dispersion of positive charge over 3 carbon is there. Here 4 carbon is there. More the dispersion of positive charge, more stable the carbocation. More the dispersion of positive charge, more stable the carbocation. Then another factor is the resonance factor. Another one is the resonance factor. You must learn more the resonating structure. More stable the carbocation. That means resonating structure is maximum in tertiary. So tertiary is more stable. Same for hyperconjugation. More the hyperconjugated structure, more stable the carbocation. That means more the hyperconjugated structure, more stable the carbocation. On this basis also alkyl group have 9. Tertiary carbocation having 9 alpha hydrogen. So maximum 9 structures are there, then we will say it is more stable. Clear? What is the structure of carbocation? What is the structure of carbocation? Beta, carbocation consists of sp2 hybridization state. On this basis it have trigonal planar geometry with 120-degree bond angle and having one empty p orbital which carry positive charge, that is known as empty 2p orbital, or you can say empty 2p z orbital. This is all about the carbocation. Beta, it is important question. What is carbocation? How carbocation is formed? How many types of carbocation? Explain the stability order. More the stable, less the reactive. Clear? Then what is the structure of carbocation? Now our another topic is the carboanion. Another one is the carboanion. Better name indicate carboanion means carbon atom carry negative charge. Carboanion. Carbon atom carry negative charge. You can see chemical species in which carbon atom carry negative charge and having 8 electrons in outermost shell. Having 8 electrons in outermost shell after sharing. Clear? The same question. How carboanions are formed? Beta, carboanions are formed when any nucleophile attack on the hydrocarbon. Then both the electron move towards carbon and we will get carboanion. Clear? Carboanion is formed. Same, how many types of carboanions are there? Beta, methyl carboanion, primary carboanion. You may write R in place of methyl. R is the alkyl chain. 2 alkyl groups are present, or all the 3 alkyl groups are present. Our question, what is the stability order? Beta, it is primary, it is secondary, it is tertiary. Stability order, methyl carboanion is more stable than primary, then secondary, then tertiary. Why? Beta, alkyl group have electron donating plus I effect. It donate electron to carboanion, increase the electron density and easy to lose these electrons. That means it is more reactive, less stable. 2 alkyl group means electron density more increase, more and more reactive, and maximum reactive. More reactive means less stable. Due to plus I effect of alkyl group, electron density of carboanion increase and carboanion easily donates its negatively charged electron to electron deficient species. That means more the alkyl group, more reactive. More reactive means less stable. Clear? What is the structure of carboanion? So beta, carboanion have sp3 hybridization state. On this basis, expected geometry is tetrahedral, but it have 3 bonds and 1 electron pair with negative charge. 3 sigma bond, 1 negatively charged electron present in sp3 hybrid orbital. Its geometry is pyramidal. Geometry is pyramidal. Bond angle less than 109.8 degree. Clear? Now carbon free radical. Carbon free radical, or you can say free radical. Beta, free radicals are formed by heterolytic cleavage. Sorry, homolytic cleavage. Of covalent bond. Due to any reason, covalent bond present between two carbon atom is homolytically cleaved, and we will get free radical, odd electron. This odd electron is known as free radical. Any species which have odd electron is known as free radical. On this basis, we have methyl free radical. If carbon having odd electron combined with all hydrogen, it is known as methyl free radical. If one alkyl group present, it is primary free radical. Two alkyl group present, it is secondary free radical. All the alkyl groups are present, it is known as tertiary free radical. Clear? Now, which one is more stable? As usual, same reason, more the dispersion of odd electron, more stable the compound. Tertiary is more stable than secondary, then primary. All the reasons same as that of carbocation. What is the structure of carbon free radical? Beta sp2 hybridization state, trigonal planar symmetry, but this p orbital have odd electron. 3 sigma bond, 120 bond angle. This is all about the reaction intermediate. Thank you.